Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to update the price of product in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to update the price of product in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to update the price of product in Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to update the price of product in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Updating the price of product in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on products. Now here are different products. Click on a product. Scroll down. Here in pricing section, update the price and then click on save. Your price will be updated. There you go. If you wanted to know how to update the price of product in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.